Hey boys and girls, and welcome to math. Today is Wednesday, the middle of the week. Let's see what our lesson is for today. We are going to continue using hundreds, tens, and ones to create three-digit numbers using standard, expanded form, and now we're going to start with word form. Okay, so that way we can be able to understand how to read and write numbers in different ways. This number right here is 106. There's 1 in the hundreds, 0 in the tens, 6 in the ones. So we right here have standard form, expanded form. No, sorry. Standard form and base 10. This is an example of the number 106. Standard form is written like this, 106. Expanded form, you pull it apart, 100 plus 0 plus 6. Word form, you have to write the number out, 106. And this is base 10. So we are now learning 4 different ways to write a number. This number right here, 257, this is written out in word form. These are words to show you what the number is. 257. Okay, so what does it look like in standard form and expanded form? This is standard form. This is expanded. 200 plus 50 plus 7. This next example. What is this number in standard form and what is the number in word form? Well, this number, oh, look at this. Sometimes it's not written with the hundreds first. Do you notice that? You wouldn't say 600. You'd have to go look at the, oh, there's a 300. This would be 362 if I add this number together. All right, so let's look at standard form and word form of this number. You will be doing this with me on Zoom, so grab your math notebook and a pencil and your whiteboard, and I will meet you back on Zoom in a moment.